got a Honda CRV, it's got a noisy timing chain. It's not too bad, it's not the worst I've ever seen or heard. It's 2.2 I-cdti. Timing chain's down here somewhere. So I'm going to take top cover off, cam cover, injectors out, make a load of space down here, timing cover off, and replace the timing chain. Here's the timing chain kit. Crank saws, sealant, chain, guides, tensioner. Also got engine oil filter, injector seals and cam cover gasket. So made to start stripping it, took the engine cover off. Now I've drained the oil and disconnected the injectors and the injection pipes. Taking the injectors out. Little tip with the injector pipes, just use a Sharpie or similar to show which injector pipe goes where. Same on the injectors. Some light. Put 4 lines there, that's cylinder 4 injector. Modern diesels, the injectors are coded to the engine, so it's best to keep them where they are. I've got it as stripped down as I can do now. So cam cover off, timing cover off, and sump off. I've got an 8mm timing pin locking the balance shafts. And there is the oil pump. These 2 marks line up with little arrows down here. And on the crankshaft, there's a dot on the sprocket that lines up with an arrow on the engine case. And on the camshafts, on the pulley itself, it's written up on there, and then in here there's lines that line up the 2 crankshaft cogs themselves. Everything's cracked off, loose, ready for the new chains. Obviously got an engine crane holding the engine up because you have to take the engine mount off. You also have to drop the subframe bolts out to get the sump out. It's on there Two at the back, just to get enough room to get the sump out. So here we have the old chains next to each other. So we'll level up the top. See how the old chains have stretched a bit. Plus on the guides they've worn. No tension sides. And that's where the rattling comes from, these chains being a little bit longer than they should be. Having stretched over time. New bits are fitted at last. New timing chain, camshaft pulleys, guides. Oil pump chain. Still got the pins in the tensioners. But there's another mark flying up. That's a crankshaft timing mark. So the chains have these links that are coloured. They line up with dots on the pulleys. Pin for the balance shaft is still in. Crankshaft timing marks. So put a light smear of oil over everything when it starts up, so everything's got a bit of oil on it already. Just got to double check everything and pull the pins out. Right, so I'm sat here watching Project Binky as well as editing this video together, and I've completely forgot to film anything when I finished, but it's now back together. I've done a couple 100 miles in it. That chain rail has gone. It's all driving fine, so it's all good for another few 100,000 miles. Also recently had it remapped, which has made it a lot better. Loads more torque. So yeah, happy with it. It's all good. Thanks for watching the video.